Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have another small haul for you guys, and ever since I had found this paper at TM, I've been a little obsessed with it. I just love the colors, and so I had to look for, you know, the rest of the items in the collection. So I did make a purchase and my order came yesterday. So I thought I'd share with you guys in case you guys have not seen the collection and you're interested. And I'm super excited, so I want to share it with you guys. Now, I didn't get every single thing. I did go through scrapbook.com and I did find a few things. So let me just share with you guys. So first of all, I found these two items. I thought the enamel stickers were so cute with the unicorn and just all the elements here. I love them. The heart, that's so cute and pink. The ice cream, the tent, it's so cute. And I don't know, maybe I'm like obsessed with carnivals right now or circus, because I don't even like really the circus, but I recently watched The Greatest Showman and I thought it was amazing. In case any of you guys have not seen it, even my husband gave it a thumbs up, and he doesn't even like musicals, okay? But I'm just saying, I'm just throwing it out there. It's a great movie to see, and I believe it's out on rental right now. But anyway, I wanted for sure the ephemera, so I was iffy on the paper, but I did eventually get it. But I did want the ephemera, so I will go through this because I think I have time. So I just thought that was super cute, so I had to get that enamel stickers. I did also get this one. I just thought the stickers were cute, and there's 3 sheets it says, so I think, let's see, there's this one. I just love the colors. And then there's the clear alphas, and then there's these stickers. Isn't that pretty? I just love this whole combination of the pink, mint, and yellow. I think it's so cute. Okay, so I got that. I had to, of course, find this one, and so I was super happy that they had it in stock. And this is the chipboard stickers, and there's 43 pieces, as you can see there. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, look at that cotton candy. I just love it. I need to do like some kind of layout because I do have pictures of my kids when we went to the fair. We've gone to a few times to the fair, and this is like a perfect collection for that. I think I even have a picture of my kids riding the carousel. So had to get that. And then lastly, I did get the paper. I wasn't sure because I really like this paper with the gold foil. This one doesn't have any gold foil, but it does have glitter in some places, which it's not like super obvious either. Some of them aren't, but I thought it was really cute. So let me go ahead and just go through this with you. Now, with Maggie Holmes papers, you don't get, well, I shouldn't say all of them, but with this one, you do not get 2 sheets. It's just 1 sheet of each design. So this one here is the cut apart. So I'm glad I got the ephemera because, you know, there's only 1 sheet of the cut aparts. And my camera is, I hope that's getting it there. And it's only one-sided, just to let you know. Then there's this page here. But look how cute. They have a little sentiment up there, so you can use the top part. There's this one here with the horse on top there. That's I think this is the carousel. I hope I'm in frame. Let me see if I can move down a little bit. Maybe that's better. Is that better, you guys? Let me just... Okay, and then you have this page here, which is interesting. I don't know what I would do with that yet. And then you have the florals. Florals are always so pretty. And then this is glittered right here, you guys. So see how beautiful that is? Then there's this one. It's kind of like a kaleidoscope. Pink dots, white dots on pink, really pretty. That's cute. That's awesome too, and you can cut that apart. This one I'm not crazy about because it's a very, very dark green. Love this, and there's hints of, I don't know if you can see that, but there are hints of glitter on it. And it's a cut apart. There's this one, stars, this one here, this one. I wish this one was glittered, but it's not. Love the florals. This one's glittered. See, I'm not crazy about that. Love this one. Look at this. Meet a 100% real and genuine unicorn. This one is glittered polka dots. Love this one here. So simple, but it makes a statement. Love the starburst here. Or sun rays. Then you have the kites, really, really fun page. And another fun page right there. This one, it's okay, but I do like pink. And then here's this one, which is huge. I don't know. I'd have to cut this. And this one here, you can just, I would cut this apart and then layer. And then the zebras. That's a lot of different designs. And there's this one here, which I'm not crazy about mustard, but there's something about this paper. I do like it. And then the florals, and then this is gorgeous. I love this one. Just this combination of colors is just beautiful. And I think that's it on that one. So yeah, that's the carousel. Now let me share with you the ephemera. Let's see, how many minutes am I in? Just in case you're considering getting this. I just love it when people share like what's inside the ephemera pack, because there's so much in there that you really don't know. You can't see if you're looking online what's really in there. So you have florals here. You have this tint. Delightful. You have some cards. I thought these were super cute. Isn't that cute? You have another word die cut there, and this is my favorite. These two right here. Look how cute. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I absolutely love it. And then you have some frames. Whoops. Couple of frames. The animals. The zebra, and then the giraffe, and then a couple of tags, 3 tags, and then you have this piece right here. And that's all of the ephemera pieces, or I should say, what do they call these? Yeah, these are the ephemera pieces. There should be 50. And then these have couple of buttons and some, I changed the packaging already because I already looked at this, but I thought I'd share it because the bag isn't self-sealing. Once you open it, you can't really put it back in the bag because you have to break the bag. Okay, so you get stars. I think I'm supposed to have 7 stars. Yeah. And a couple of buttons. Then you have, 3 buttons. And then you have this ticket, good for 1 ice cream. You have another ticket that says happy, another ticket, another ticket, a lot of tickets. Here's that. What is that? So? No. Oh, I think this is supposed to be with the so sweet. Oh, did I get them mixed up? Maybe I did. Here's another ticket. Look at this ice cream. That's interesting. Flowers. Sparkle every day. You have that one. You have this Polaroid. And then yay. And happiness is here. So those are the other pieces. So, isn't it cute, you guys? I love it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.